Alright. Taking the taillights out. Got the Rockstar.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm videoing, bro.
Yeah, you ain't doing shit.
Oh.
Your own car.
I'll do the other one. Okay. Oh. You're supposed to remove this clip right there, I think. But we're just kind of peeling it back and getting in there because it really just peels back, so we're gonna do that, unscrew those. It's half inch, and then we'll be back. Yeah. Okay. So got the headlights out. We used 1500 grit. This shit right here to wet sand the taillights, and then taping them off right now, and then we're going to apply the nightshade, which is in the house so it stays warm, so it sprays good. So yeah, I guess we'll do the what?
Might not even be warm enough.
Maybe. Maybe not. Fuck it. Send. So yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so we went to a run. We got a dryer, LED bulbs for the taillights as well.
Is that what this is?
Oh, heat gun. But we sanded these with the 1500 grit, wet sanded. I already told you guys that. But that's the first layer. There's that. Bam. I think we should go 2 or 3 coats maybe. We'll see. But after that, we're gonna clear coat it and then sand it and make it look all shiny and nice. So yeah, we'll probably get back when we get done coating it to where we want it, and then we'll clear coat it. So okay. Oh, dude, they look dark on camera.
Really?
Yeah. So we put 3 coats on, and that's what we got. We were using the heat gun to heat up the can and the taillight itself.
How about now?
Still look dark. It just is like a reflection. Yeah. But yeah, now we're gonna use the clear coat and then get to sanding it and all that bullshit. So we'll get to that. Dude, I think I'm high from the fucking nightshade. I got a headache.
Not yet.
Alright, so we have these sanded down with the 2000 grit. As you can see, they're a little bit dull. We're thinking once we polish them, it should be good. If not, we'll just do another layer clear coat and be done with it. So, yeah, I'm just gonna use my wheel because I have a little over here. I have a pouring cable polishing wheel. So we're just gonna use that, and hopefully that'll be enough to polish these up and make them looking all nice. So yeah. Okay, so we just got done polishing her up. I used Garage Complete Compound. I don't know. It worked good. They came out really nice.
Nah, they're pretty shitty.
Fuck you. But yeah, we're gonna put those in along with the LED bulbs over there. And hopefully, where are they? Oh, are they right there now?
Right here.
Oh, you beach. But yeah, we're gonna put those in, see how it looks. And yeah, hopefully it doesn't look like trash. So okay, so we finished the taillights and it is colder than hell, but do they look good? They look super clean, super shiny.
Dude, these pictures are ass.
Are they? Well, I tried. But yeah, they turned out really, really good. So hopefully you guys will see
How the
that.
fuck do you turn this flash off?
Turn the mode.
Did
Right
you?
here. No, it's not on no flash, but the mode that has that is no flash. But yeah, so I mean, that's the end of it. Pretty much what we did was we wet sanded the lights down with the 1500 grit, and then 3 coats of VHT. This handle really helps. And after the 3 coats of UHT, we also did 2 medium coats with clear coat, the automotive clear coat, and then 1 really heavy coat on there. And then we used 2000 grit, sand it down. It was a little dull. And then we use this compound with the wheel. You don't need a wheel, but it makes it a lot faster to clean it up. So yeah, that's about it. Looks clean, dude. All right, well, have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching, and it's cold as fuck.